Yes, I'm Dr. Lawrence Williams, and I wanted to take the opportunity to go ahead and put this together due to the fact that we did not have we did not, no one showed up on my live webcast. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to go through what what I would have gone through during the webcast. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Lawrence Williams. I am I have a PhD in information technology and an MBA in project management. I have over 25 years of of uh, information technology management experience. I've been a CTO, CIO during those years with very large companies like Bridgestone, AT&T, and Lucent, and what have you. So, enough about me. Let's get on to some of the class issues. First of all, I want to discuss the discussion forum. The discussion forum is there for you to answer the questions that I pose, and you to pay attention to those questions in your discussion. The format that you want to use is, of course, you want to focus on the question. Then also you want to have first of all you want to have some significant initial discussion point, and then you want to reply back to at least two other students. Okay, so that has been something we haven't been doing. We didn't do that in the first week, and in order for you guys to get your full credit for your discussion, that is something that you have to do. Number two, live meetings. I would like for us to be able to participate in our live meetings. I think it's a time that we come together and I'm able to discuss with you and coach you on some of the things that need to be done in class with assignments, and also answer some of your questions. So I'm going to put out a mass email that's going to ask you what is the best day and time for our live meetings, being that we've missed two. So please respond, make me aware as to what is the best day and time. And I am in the Eastern. Keep in mind, I am in the Eastern time zone. Third, hardware requirements. I've been hearing a lot about, and you're not the first students to do this, but this class has a hardware requirement. Okay, and if in fact you do not meet that hardware requirement, then you run into difficulty. You run into difficulty running your programs. You run into difficulty with quite a few different things. Your programs, for instance, your programs may take 12, maybe 24 hours to run. So that is why there is a hardware requirement. I had to even go and get another computer myself. So if in fact you need a solution, you may want to check and see if you can borrow a computer that has better capacity, or possibly go to your library, your local library. Study partners. Today, I did want to divide the class into, was five of you. I wanted to divide the class into two parts. We still are going to do that. I think it's important so that you have a study buddy when you run into complications in terms of developing your programs and debugging and what have you. This is how you learn. You'll learn that in software development, a lot of collaboration is involved. So I want you to get to the point where you're collaborating with one another. What I will do is I will put out an email that asks what group they're going to be. I'm going to divide. Well, I'll go ahead and divide the groups into the two groups. There'll be one group that will have 2 people, and another group that will have 3. Okay, and just check your emails for that. And as far as receiving an A in this class, and I'm hoping that we all can get an A. First of all, don't leave any points on the table. Those forum points, those discussion forum points, they're easy points to get. All you need to do is to have a substantial initial post, then respond to 2 other students by Wednesday. Okay, and then we have a situation where you will get full credit for the week. Okay, also assignments. You'll find that I am not difficult in terms of grading assignments. Pay attention to your rubric. There is a rubric that I will publish for each assignment. Make sure that you follow that. If it's a writing assignment, make sure you use APA style, and we should be fine. Okay, and use it the correct way. I expect college level paper. And last but not least, my hours are posted in the student, in the instructor information, on the instructor information board. I don't mind you calling me anytime. My telephone number is 502-821-8457. I have no problem with you contacting me, but be cognizant of the fact that I'm in the Eastern time zone. I usually go to bed right at 10 o'clock. Okay, so feel free to call me, and I'm usually up by 7 a.m. So if you could please call me within those times, and if you have a question, concern, I will be available to assist you. Thank you. I hope that this helps, and feel free to email me at any time, and I will get out the emails and get out the team assignments as soon as possible. Thank you.